Lahat ng tao ay dadaan sa mga challenges, difficulty, at obstacles ng ating buhay. Hindi kasi po pwedeng bigla ka na lang magle-level up sa level 65 all of a sudden. Kailangan pagdaanan mo yung level 1, level 2, level 3, kasi kapag bigla kang pre-promote sa level 65, you don't know how you went there in the first place, and you don't know why you are there in the first place. At dahil hindi mo alam kung paano at kung bakit ka nandoon, hindi ka magtatagal sa level na yon. Kailangan kumpletuhin mo yung level that you are on today before you go to the next level of your life. Makuha mo lahat ng lesson na itinuturo ng Lord sa iyo sa mga experiences at circumstance na natutunan mo bago kanya dalhin sa next level ng iyong buhay. Kasi most of us are old enough to realize na hindi lahat ng pintuan bubuksan para sa atin. Hindi lahat ng mga taong ngingiti sa iyo. Hindi lahat ng mga sitwasyon are in your favor. Not everyone will love you. Not everyone will smile at you. Not everyone will open their arms to accept all of you. Kaya napaka-importante ho mga kapatid na lesson na matutunan natin today, anumang circumstances na meron sa iyong buhay. Ikaw man ay nasa mountaintop or valley low. Ikaw man ay nasa wow days or out days ng iyong buhay ngayon. I don't know that. Pero kailangan mong maging goal to seek God in a deeper way. To serve God in a deeper way. Yung inibig, wag man lalamig. Inibig ka ng Diyos, wag kang manlalamig sa iyong pagmamahal sa ating Panginoon. Kasi iniimbitahan ka ng ating Panginoon ngayon, laliman mo yung relasyon mo sa akin. At kung sasabihin mong yes sa Lord, yes Lord, I will deepen my relationship with you. I will seek you in a deeper way. And I will serve you in a deeper way. It will bring you to a life of miraculous. But if you will say no, you will miss a lot of the fullness of what God has for your life. Ang sabi ng Psalms chapter 23 verse 1, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. You know, kahit na 10 years na ako nagpipreach, 10 years na akong pastor ng church na to, every time I read that one verse, you can always make a whole preaching about this verse. Because this verse is rich. The Lord is my shepherd. Now, kilala natin si Jesus bilang Savior. Pero siya ba ay yung shepherd? Because God is not just in the business of saving you. He is also in the business of leading you. Because the shepherd leads. The shepherd leads. Ang shepherd, siya yung leader. Siya yung nauuna. So God is not just interested in forgiving your past, saving, but He's also interested in leading you to a bright future. Si Lord, hindi lang niya pinatawad ang nakaraan mo. Tapos na yun eh. Ginawa na ng Lord 2,000 years ago, pero ang ginagawa naman ng Lord sa'yo, inililid ka niya sa mas magandang future.